Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumali nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje zokufaka zona kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba-ke ekulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana ukuthi-ke MK laphana-ke si-order ukuthi-ke iyikhokhe-ke le mali ingaze-ke icabange-ke nokuthi ize iye ezinkantolo-ke ngoba ngeke ize-ke iwine-ke laphana-ke mayibhekene nayo-ke naye-ke uJulius Malema-ke laphana nje uJulius Malema eveza ukuthi-ke MK-ke imkweleta-ke imali-ke eningi kabi-ke laphana kuzothumela-ke ngisho-ke ama-lawyers laphana-ke enkandla uma ingaphumi-ke le mali le. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuningi usuzwe ngaphela nje dlala-ke ividiyo-ke izole wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke mina ngicela lapha masizwile-ke le video le ngene comment section for usho lakho ukuthi ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masukwenze ukulungile-ke lapho-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumali nje kusho nesenti emnyama-ke ukwazi ukuthi uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ngifakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke ividiyo-ke le awuyithokozele.
MK members, hayi laba ka-TikTok bokudlala, ngikhuluma ngalabadla imali yangempela basephalamende abakwi-legislature nabanye aba-in waiting of positions emakhaya. Mkhokheleni ubaba le mali yama-10,000 rand eniyikhokha inyanga nenyanga ye-loyalty kwi-akhawunti kababa ayikhuphuke noma mhlampe kube u-20,000 manje. Mkhokheleni. One thing I know about uJulius, you don't win against him when it comes to this thing of court cases. You won't, you don't survive lapha. Lwamfo washaya lentozana, washaya i-AfriForum lapha inhlangano le yamabhunu, wayithatha wayibeka phansi wonke amacala akhe lapha bethi bamcindezela. Waphika indaba yelentozana lokuthi washaya irefuli lapha elentozana ene-stadium. Wayimarinate wayenza yonke lento ngendlela eyisimanga. You won't win, you don't survive laphana. Amabhunu azi kahle. Mkhokheleni nemali eningi kabi nina. Moma 1 billion membership. Nemali as I was watching that thing which happened before elections, some people kade ngibuka enye video la abanye bala kwa TikTok ke bethi and membership isingaka nana lapho we are estimated 60 something to 70 million kwi population yala eMzansi. Kunabantu sokuthi sebetholile more than 20 million 30 million. Hayibo hey boy. Yeah, the same people also who believed on those TikTokers. I can't say it influencers because they are pushing like a certain agenda or propaganda. So still namhlanje makufika a new information, yet there are still people abasakholelwa futhi kulabo bantu abaqamba amanga kwakhulunywa ngo-Rule 7 ba-analyze constitution yalelizwe basipha ama-lecturers lana kwathiwa siyalecturishwa. Wawawuza umuntu ezabalaza efonini ete ngazange ngize ngiyibone kuthiwa kuyazatshalwaza lapha kuyazabala. Apha ama-veterinarians lapha MKP soldiers ashone bathuleleni lezi nsuku lezi. Khokhelani ubaba. Hayi ne-firepool laphana, otherwise bani uzoqukula i-firepool laphana leyo wakhohliswa ngayi-state thiwa yokucima umuzi leyakhiwa ngo-12 million. Isibaya hambe sawo 1 million. Yes.